So if you are not yet profitable, if you are not a profitable trader as we speak, you need to consider watching this video from now till the very end, because in this video I'm going to be unveiling to you one very powerful strategy. Of course, you should listen to me because I've been in this game long enough and have made a lot more profit than you can imagine. I have seen a whole lot of ups and downs. I have made money, so I think you should listen to me and whatever I have to say in regards to this very video. I'm going to share with you guys a very powerful strategy. When I say powerful, I mean this is a strategy that you can use to scale through from level 0 to level 100, and this is not overrated at all. So if you are trading binary options, you are trading forex, you are trading crypto, any time frame you're trading, you should consider using this very strategy. Like you all know, this is going to be a breakout strategy. That's pretty much how I trade. So if you are interested in stuff like this, you want to consider hitting that like button just so this video can reach out to more people like you who may be interested in videos like this. You also want to consider subscribing to this very channel. This is the best channel when it comes to trading price action, pure price action. So consider subscribing and turn the bell icon. You don't be missing out on any of our important live trades coming up in the future, guys. So that being said, let us get started. So the first thing you want to pay attention to is the time frame. So the time frame I'm using is the 1 minute time frame. As you all can see, that means every candle you see on this chart is 1 minute, guys. So the next thing you want to do, you want to pay attention to is the next thing you want to pay attention to is the trend, because now we just came into the chart, we don't know what's going on. So we want to look for what is actually going on in this market. Is this the buyer's market? Is this the seller's market? What am I supposed to do? Do I supposed to look for entry, or should I just close the chart and walk away? Do I have a chance to trade? These are the kind of questions you want to be asking when you open the chart. So if you look at this very chart, you want to agree with me that this is a strong uptrend, because we can start, this is the high, right? So the price, we are creating lower lows and creating lower highs. Then we had, this is the low, right? So this looks like an equal low, which is a sign of a trend reversal. Then the price buyers came in and pushed the price all the way up. So if we consider this to be a lower high swing, then it has already been broken. You can see that the price has closed above it, breaking this level, creating this new high. So we can say now that the buyers are now stronger in this very market. So having confirmed that, you want to be looking for opportunities to enter. Now, since the price broke this previous lower high swing, it started creating higher highs and higher lows. Because this is a higher high, this is a higher high, this is a higher high. You see, this is a higher low, higher low, higher low, and higher low. All these are the conditions of an uptrend. So this is very important, understanding price structure. You can only understand price structure through the help of price action. If you don't know what price action is, you don't know how to read price action, it's more like you would not be able to know how to trade, because price action is the blueprint. Price action is the map. Price action is everything you need. Like when they give you something and they ask you to find your way, you need a map to be able to find your way to a certain location. Price action is the map you need to be able to find your ways to entry, to find your ways to know how the price market is doing, and everything you need to know is through the help of price action. Those indicators you use are also built upon price action, but the only problem I have with indicators is the fact that they arrive late, which means something already happened before they show you what has already happened. So if you want to be, we want to be entering trade at the right time and making profit, indicators are going to be, they are not what you should be considering, because they are going to be showing you to enter when the chance to enter has already passed. So if you're interested in any of these, you want to learn price action, we are open to mentorship. Just contact us and we put you through on everything you need to be able to be a profitable binary options forex trader, or whatever way you want to apply or price action. That being said, we also give us free signals now on this our Telegram channel that we just created. So we're going to leave the link below this description of this video. Just click it, contact us, and just enjoy those free signals we give out every day. Over 20 signals. You don't have to pay anything. It is for free, guys. So now that we have known what this trend is, the next thing is to try to look for entries. Now, the entries you are going to be looking for is the entry. The ways to enter is a buy position, because now we are having a buyer's market now. So we don't want to be trading against the trend. We want to be entering buy positions only. Now we want to be looking for pullbacks, which means we want to wait for the time where the sellers can come in for a while, because we know that in a buyer's market the sellers are lazy. They don't have much say in a buyer's market. But whenever they come in, those are the time we look to enter, because we know that when they come in, sooner the buyers are going to take over, and that time where the buyers take over, that is when we want to be jumping in, because then the buyers, because they are stronger, we move the price very, very quickly. So those are the entry point. Pay attention. So now this is now a higher low. This is a higher high. This is a higher low, right? So this was a time that the sellers came in and pulled the price a little bit downward, and you can see that the buyer stepped in on this candle and the price pulled upward again. So you see that if you enter on this candle, if we apply a trend line on this level, you can see that this was a very strong entry from the buyers, and you can see that when you enter a trade on this candle, it's going to be a win trade. And even if you are trading forex, you can also consider this very strategy. So that way we can have our entry over here, and then we can have a stop loss around this previous low, you can see, and then we can have our take profit can be all the way up like this. This is going to be a 1-to-2 ratio. You can see that this would have been a very smooth win if you are a scalper and you're going to be applying this strategy when you want to apply it or trade the forex market. So it is pretty very simple. It is just a matter of understanding what price action is and how I'm looking for ways to be able to apply them or apply this very strategy. It works across every kind of market, whatever you want to decide to trade. Now, if you are trading the binary options market, you know exactly what I do. I enter on this very candle and you can see that the price has started rising. So I'm going to be showing you guys how I'm going to enter another trade if I were to trade in this type of market. So you can see that this is a price that I created a new high here. So what we want to be looking for now is we want to wait for the market to at least have a little bit of a pullback. That means we want to wait for the sellers to at least come back into the market again, so that we can look to see if we can have some entry. So you can see that this is now a new high the price has created, and you can see that the sellers are stepping in and they are now moving the price downward. You can see now that this is a high, this is now a lower low now, because this low is lower than this lower low. So we can see that the sellers are kind of stepping in right now, so we can trust them to move the price a little bit downward so that we can have a proper retracement. So the price will continue to fall down, and this looks like a very beautiful retracement phase, because you can see now that the price is creating lower lows, because this is a low, lower low, and this is a lower low. So this is a very, very promising structure, and we can trust this to be a proper retracement. The next we want to do is to apply a trend line connecting all the higher lows, all the lower highs together, because we know since we're having series of lower lows, then we can say that this is a proper minor retracement phase. We can trust it. So when we have issues like this, when we have market scenarios like this, next we want to be waiting for is a breakout from this very trend line, and when we have that breakout, that is going to be our entry point. So you see that the price will continue to just respect this trend line until you are going to have a breakout that's going to look like this. This is a very strong breakout. This is a strong entry from the buyers breaking this trend line. It is a sign that yes, the buyers are here and the price should be going upward. So you can place your trade over here on this candle and you can see that the price starts to run up, and it is a very smooth strategy you can apply and be profitable trading it, and it works 99.99% of the time. So this is everything about this strategy. I hope you learned something and you can apply the same when you decide to trade, guys. If you have any questions, drop them below. I'm very good at replying to all the questions you may have. If you're interested in learning how we trade online price action, contact us directly. We're going to keep the link below this video, guys. Join the Telegram group to be able to benefit from all our signals. We send over 20 signals every single day. You don't want to be missing out on those beautiful signals, guys. Those are free, guys. So click on the Telegram group below and tap into this opportunity to be able to make passive income alongside with us, guys. So I'm going to see you guys on the next one. Until then, make sure you keep trading, keep working hard, and have a good day.